Hello everyone. Now I am going to start new chapter of surveying, that is linear measurement. What is meant by linear measurement? Linear measurement means taking horizontal distances. Taking horizontal distance is known as a linear, and measuring some horizontal distance is known as a linear measurement. So there are various methods of making linear measurement, and their relative merit depend upon the degree of precision required. They can be mainly divided into three types. This linear measurement can be done in three ways. First is by direct measurement. Second is measurement by optical means. Measurement by optical means. Third is electromagnetic methods. Electromagnetic method. So these are the three types in which the linear measurement can be taken. First is direct measurement, next is measurement by optical means, and third one is electromagnetic method. In the case of direct measurement, the distance are actually measured on the ground with the help of chain or tape or any instrument. So in case of the linear measurement, the distances are usually measured on the ground. Distance measured on the ground. In case of linear measurement, the distance are usually measured on ground. How the distance is measured? By using some chain or tape or any other instrument, we are measuring the distance on ground. It is known as linear measurement. Not linear measurement, direct measurement. What is direct measurement? The distance measured on the ground with the help of chain or tape or any other instrument. It is known as a direct measurement. Next, second is in case of optical. This is first one. Second, in case of optical method, the observations are taken through telescope and calculations are done for distances such as in tachymetry or triangulation. In this, observations are taken through telescope. In case of optical method, the observations are usually taken through telescope and the calculations are done for the distance, such as it is used in case of tachymetry and triangulation. In this case, we are using optical. And third is electromagnetic methods. Electromagnetic. In case of electromagnetic methods, the distance are measured with instruments that rely on propagation, reflection and subsequent reception of either radio waves, light waves or infrared waves. In these, the observations are taken through propagation and reflection. What is the propagation of reflection? Either it may be radio waves, or it may be light waves, or it may be infrared waves. Okay, once again, the linear measurement can be divided into three types: by direct measurement, measurement by optical means and electromagnetic method. In case of direct measurement, the distances are actually measured on ground with the help of chain or tape or any other instrument. Okay, whereas in optical method, observations are taken through telescope and calculations are done for distances such as tachymetry or triangulation. Whereas in case of electromagnetic methods, the distance are measured with the help of instrument that rely on propagation, reflection and subsequent reception of either radio waves, light waves or infrared waves. So this is the main topic, means what are the different type of linear measurement. We have learned three different type of linear measurement, and what are the instrument used in these three types of different linear measurements. So in our next video, we are going to discuss each measurement in a brief. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.